already blocks it. Okay? We're going to do rock. The scores up. Guys, this is what we're going to do. Two hands up. Can you see you guys? Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up. And this is what we're going to do with 3, 2, 8. Monster Love! This is what our teams are doing right now. They're smacking the ball so hard. And all we gotta do is hands down, going up. This is our Super Star! Alright, that's our second move. Let's go to our third move. This is what one team serves, and the other team fails to return it. You all know this. Here we go. Our fourth move. This is one team attacks. Sinubukan sa lahat ng team, sinubukan ng team. Meron lumabas. Sabi na, siya na makikinig ko lang. Hindi may balik. This is what we call our Fireball! Subukan natin, hindi natin ito lahat tayo. Kaya natin ito sa sabay. Let's see if we can all do it together. Let's start with our first one. Let's do it. Let's do our Monster Love!